Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is well and staying safe, and I hope everyone's getting a lovely tan or getting burnt, as to say, like I am. I am so burnt, it is unreal, but we're keeping covered and keeping suntan cream on now and not falling asleep on the sunbed. Don't know how many times I've done that in the past. I should learn by now, but hey ho, stuff happens. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is just going to be a sum up video for the HiSmile kit. So you may have seen my previous video of me doing an honest review on the kit. Obviously this, I just want to throw out there that this is not sponsored or anything like that. This is just generally me doing an honest review on the kit and what I actually think of the product. So obviously I've finished doing the 6 days worth of gels that come in the kit, and I can honestly say that I do believe that this whitening HiSmile works. I have had so many compliments from family and friends FaceTiming, and that they've been wowed away by my teeth. They're like, oh my god, what are you using? And I'm like, oh, HiSmile. I've noticed a difference myself. I'll just come up and show you, get close and personal. Definitely definitely think they are whiter, definitely maybe even a couple of shades whiter. I definitely think at least one shade, but I think maybe a couple. I think before I said that maybe I was around the 6 or 7 or 7 or 8 or maybe even 8 or 9 with the yellow staining down the sides from black coffee. I mean, I've still been drinking black coffee, so probably not helped myself here, but can't live without black coffee. So but I think I've definitely gone lighter, like 100% feeling like more of a 7 and a 6 maybe. And like these front ones, oh my god, they are so more down this line, like they are proper whitened up, and it's crazy. I could definitely recommend this product. It's definitely does what it says on the tin. Basically it's going to give you a couple of shades lighter, and I think if you continue to use it and continue to buy the gels, and they've got obviously toothpastes and all sorts on their website, but I think if you continue to use the product, then you definitely, with the kit, I'm guessing now I've got the mouth guard and the LED, I can just order the gels and just put the gels in and just top up with those. But definitely think if you're planning on buying it and you're umming and ahhing like I was, and been umming and ahhing for yonks about it, I would definitely say go out and invest in it, because I'm so happy with the results, and I've had so many compliments on my teeth recently. And obviously your teeth are quite important to, like, you know, appearance and everything, and they're not, you know, I don't personally like the staining on my teeth, obviously. I don't think anybody does, but obviously I'm trying to improve them. So I think if I carried on buying the gels, I think I could definitely get those yellow stainings almost gone. So I'm definitely impressed with the product, and I probably will invest in some more gels now. But yeah, I just wanted to say that I would definitely recommend it. If you're umming and ahhing, don't, just go and get it, because it's a great product. It's so easy and simple to use as well. Obviously, bar my if you watch my previous video, I had a bit of a struggle putting it in, get my lips over. I made myself a right mess, got myself in a right mess. But if you're not stupid like me, once I got round of what I was actually doing with it, it is so simple. You just pop it in, put your lips over it, you turn the light on, and it does its thing. It's got its own little timer in it, does the 10 minutes, deep deep, and it comes off, and you go and swirl your mouth, and it's done. It's so simple. You just pop your gel in, and you're away, really. It's such a quick and easy thing, and I just do it now. Like, I've put it in with like my beauty and my makeup regime now. Like, if I'm putting a bit of makeup on, I'll put that in while I'm doing my eyebrows and doing my eye makeup or whatever, and then start doing my face, and then it's time to pop it out, and you know, I could do it reading a book. It's just literally 10 minutes of just it being in your mouth, and it does wonders. I mean, I'm so like so chuffed with how white they're looking, and especially these front ones are just, I'm blown away. Sorry, I've got hardly any makeup on today. I've gone for the all natural look. Say all natural, I've put a bit of makeup on obviously, but we're not going for the full-blown foundation and makeup. It's too hot for that, way too hot for that. I'm trying to find a decent tinted moisturiser at the moment, so if anybody knows of any, please comment it below, because I'm so struggling for a good one that I just want one. Maybe I'll get one and do a review on it. Here we go. Because I have seen a couple out there that are quite good, but they're quite pricey. So maybe I'll treat myself and let you know if it's worth the pennies, shall we say, if it's worth putting your hand in the pocket for that expensive product. But anyway, I'm going to end that video for today. Thank you for watching again, and look forward to seeing you in my next videos. Please help a newbie out, subscribe, and see you soon. Bye guys.